Hello everyone. This week you will have to take your exam. Let's check the course schedule. Course schedule, click course content and go to course schedule and go down and see this week written exam 1 Proctor through exam T from today until Wednesday. You have 3 days. You have to register your test time through exam T. Okay, it's going to be due this Wednesday. Okay, so what you need to do, you go to your course home and click exam T. I think your thing, it should be a student role, and you log into the exam T, and you should be able to see exam T1, and you need to register your test time through exam T. You can change your test time 24 hours before your test. For example, if you register tomorrow, take your test at 7 o'clock, you still can change it today at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock today. You can change it another time, okay? But you need to register test time as quickly as possible. Once you register test time, you need to prepare this. Please read the information here. Everything is very similar. Everything is almost exactly the same except the test time. And you will have 3 days. Anytime during the 3 days will be fine. You need a camera to be able to take the test, because we have a proctor from exam T will proctor your exam. Okay, you can use 5 pages of paper. If you have more, that will be okay, to write your work, your solutions. Besides, you submit your work through exam T. I also want to see your paperwork. After you finish that, you scan this and scan your test work, your paperwork, and upload into D2L Dropbox. You may use 2 3x5-inch note cards. You can use both size. Okay, both size is fine. 2 cards. You can use that during the exam. Okay, there's no restriction on the content you write on the cards. And also, you need to show all your work on your paperwork, the scan that work you upload in Dropbox. But right now, the first thing you need to do, register your test time through exam T. I've just sent an email this morning and reminded those students who has not registered test time. And actually, we do have a practice test, which I think is closed right now, and is last week. We have 3 days, October the 13th to October the 15th, and you have the chance to take the practice test. And many of you have not taken this opportunity and to practice, but it is okay. Okay, you have to make sure you have a web camera for the exam, and also you need to register test time as quickly as possible. And then once you register for it, and when it is your test time, and you click it, you should be able to take your test with exam T. And then what you need to do, I think you click it, and then you are gonna have like a Skype window like that. Okay, like a Skype thing. You can see the exam person. They can see you. They can see your computer. I think they can see your screen. They can see your your face. And then you click My Lab Plus. They will check everything. Yeah, check your ID, check your note, gotta check everything. Excuse me. And then they will type in the exam. For example, you go to my the course page. You have quiz and test. You see exam 1. What you need to do, you click exam 1, and they have to enter the password, right? Then the exam proctor will type the password for you, and then you will have the exam. Well, during the exam, sometimes maybe your internet speed, your power is off, whatever happened. Okay, don't be panic, and then you can connect it back again. Then the exam person will type the password for you again. But before you take the test, make sure everything is good, everything is ready. Your computer is ready, your laptop power is ready, your internet speed is good. Everything is ready before your test. Okay, you don't want to have any problem happen during the test. That's why we give you a practice exam, not to practice and see if it potentially you probably have some problem happening, you don't know. So we want to practice before you take the test. But it's not a big problem. The practice test is not part of your grade. If you miss that, it is okay. But you do not want to miss your real exam one, okay? So right now, please go to register the examee and take the test on time. Prepare a dock camera. That's for sure you need for the take the real test. Okay, a web camera. For sure you need that to take your test. And then after your first exam, you start working on the written assignment. I will upload the video for chapter 3, which is the chapter 3.1, section 3.1 is due this Friday. Okay, it's due this Friday, October the 21st. I will upload that video this week later. Okay, if you have any question, feel free to send me an email. Again, I want to say again, log into Examtee and complete the profile. I think you have to register time as quick as possible. Okay, if you have question, send me an email. Alright, even during the test, if you have trouble with logging in test or have any technical issues, feel free to call me. Even my cell phone, I have put my cell phone number in the Examtee instructions. The Examtee person should be able to give you my number as well. Okay, that's just for emergency or technical issues during the exam. You don't want to miss your exam, you don't have any trouble with your exam. Good luck. Okay, thank you very much.